They're not torturing her. She's in my lap. Alana's just teasing her, so the dog's getting mad. Not with food, but look. It's up to you and her. She's mad. You can tell she's mad.